Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome if you are new here. Today's video is a healthy low carb meal prep and I'm also going to be sharing with you tips on meal prepping to help you get started. So be sure to click that like button if you'd like to see more videos like this here on my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. I'm Janine. In today's video, I'm doing a meal prep. This is going to be an easy, simple, quick meal prep. Anyone can make this. You don't need that many ingredients and it is just going to be super easy. So I got my hair done recently. If you guys haven't noticed, I went more blonde. I'm feeling so good. I'm feeling so motivated and I just love to put out content when I am in this motivated and creative state. So I really hope that you enjoyed today's meal prep video. If you like to see meal prep videos like this here on my channel, be sure to click that like button. And if you haven't, please do subscribe to my channel. So I am also going to include a grocery list for you and any recipes that are in this video, I will link them down below in the description box. But like I said, this is going to be a really simple, easy meal prep to do. So I hope that you enjoyed today's video and let's get into it. So when I'm doing meal prep, I like to meal prep for the next 2 to 3 days because otherwise I get sick of the meals. So for breakfast, I'm going to be meal prepping out some of these Kodiak cake blueberry lemon muffins. I like the Kodiak mix. To me, it tastes really good. It's very versatile. You can make muffins, you can make waffles, you can make pancakes with it. This specific one is a muffin mix. They also have a variety of different flavors. So you can find these in Target. That is normally where I pick them up. But I just love breakfasts that are simple, easy, quick. And I really like to just have a grab and go option because there are days where I don't feel like cooking. So being able to have something that is really quick and easy to just grab and go is ideal for me. So like I said before, I like to have easy on-the-go options. So the first tip that I have for when you are meal prepping is set a day that you know that you have time to meal prep. So like that you can have enough time to make everything that you need to make and have everything all ready for the week. Another tip is you should figure out which meal is the hardest for you to prepare. So for me, I feel like that is breakfast and definitely lunch because in the mornings, sometimes I am just too tired and I don't feel like making a full breakfast. So having these easy on-the-go muffins is a great option for me. The next meal that I find is the hardest for me to prep is lunch. So I do tend to get bored with different things, but having options is most important for me. So when I set the time of when I'm going to meal prep, I also make sure that I prep out my meals so I know what I'm eating beforehand. So I went ahead and lined the muffin tray with some liners. Now I'm gonna bake these for about 12 to 15 minutes on 375. So let's talk about lunch. So for lunch, we are going to be having sandwiches and we have options with this lunch idea. So the first option that we have is we can use the 647 bread. You guys know I love this bread. It only has 40 calories, 6 grams of net carbs, and 7 grams of fiber. So whenever I'm eating carbohydrates, I like to make sure that the carbs I'm eating also have a high amount of fiber in it. So that will help keep you full. It will also help keep your digestive system nice and healthy. So the next option that we have is low carb wraps. These are the Mission low carb wraps. These are the spinach ones. These ones taste absolutely amazing as well. These have 18 grams of carbs in them and 15 grams of fiber. So very high fiber options we have here. These are gonna help us not get bored of sandwiches. We are going to make roll-ups with the wraps and we are also going to make sandwiches with the bread. Okay, so I have my food scale here and what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure out 4 ounces of turkey and 1.5 ounces of cheese for each sandwich and roll. So once I have my cold cuts already measured out, I can go ahead and put them in the wrap and assemble them. So you want to keep it simple. Try to keep the recipe as simple as you can to prevent becoming overwhelmed. So I find that when I use too many ingredients, it's just way too overwhelming for me and I can't stick to the routine. So having something that has minimal ingredients is a very simple meal will help you stick to your meal prep routine. And these these came out so good. I added some low-fat ranch dressing to one of them. The other one I didn't because I wasn't sure if it was going to get soggy, which they actually winded up not getting soggy even when I added the dressing. So you can go ahead and add the dressing to these, and then you just cut them into like little roll pinwheels, and you can use these for snacks. They are great to just grab when you want a little high protein snack just to hold you over in between meals.
I know it's a little bit too much for sure. So cold, but we're always coming back for more. Egos in this wicked game, it's all for sure. Oh, I've got you.
So the most important tip that I have is you want to make sure protein is the foundation of your meals. So choosing things that are high in protein, like this lean turkey and cheese, will help keep you full longer and will help you also build that muscle that you need when you are working out. So make sure that you focus on protein as the #1 thing when you are meal prepping.
Just wanna stay close, don't say that. Ain't gonna leave.
So let's talk about snacks. So I'm gonna share with you guys some really easy on-the-go snacks that are high in protein and taste delicious. So the first snack options that we have are protein bars. I'm gonna share with you guys my favorite protein bars. These are the Built bars. There are a number of reasons why I love them. The first reason I love Built bars is they are low in calories. So this Built bar, this one has 130 calories. This is the double chocolate Guilt bar. So you can easily fit these into your macros. They have low calories, they are high in protein, and they also have low sugar. So I have two options here. I have the double chocolate, and for this one, I have the peanut butter brownie one. So for the peanut butter brownie one, this one has 180 calories, 19 grams of protein, and only 5 grams of sugar. That is totally amazing. You can easily fit these in your macros, and this is a delicious snack to help you stay on track. The next snack item that I absolutely love are these Rip Van cookies. So these have 130 calories and only 3 grams of sugar in them. I love to have them as a snack. You can get them at Starbucks. They only have the honey ones. But if you want to pick up any of these snacks that I'm showing you, go on to Bariatric Pal's website. I will link it down below for you. And also, if you want to save 15% on your entire order, use my code JMRN15. Bariatric Pal has a number of different things that you can get. They have protein powders, protein snacks, protein meals, protein bars. They have a variety of different things over on their website. They also have sugar-free candy, and you can check out their website. I'll link it down for you below. Be sure to use my code JMRN15 if you want to save 15% off of your entire order. I would suggest you pick up these caramel crunch bars from the Bariatric Pal website. These to me are so good. They taste like a Snickers bar. I like to put these in the refrigerator, and I just eat them as a snack when I feel like having chocolate or some kind of sweets. These are amazing. Each bar is 170 calories, 6 grams of fat, 8 grams of sugar, and 15 grams of protein. And trust me guys, they taste just like a chocolate candy bar. So check the description box down below if you want to check out their website. So once our muffins are done cooling, we can go ahead and put them in an airtight container. I picked this one up at the Dollar Tree. How cute is it? It has all the little pumpkins. I figured it would be great for the fall. So the muffins came out looking so good. I'm gonna keep them in the little liners just so that they stay more fresh. And I wanted to say thank you so much to all of my subscribers. I really appreciate all of your support, and I am just so honored that I am able to help you all on your journey, and it makes me feel so good. So thank you guys for helping keep me accountable and allowing me to help you on your journey. And if you haven't, I would really love for you to subscribe here to my channel and join the awesome community that we have. These came out so good. If you find this lemon blueberry muffin mix in stores, oh my god, pick it up. These are so good. So to make this chicken bacon ranch casserole, you're going to need chicken breast, some broccoli. I have a can of cream of chicken here, a packet of the Hidden Valley ranch dressing, some bacon, and some shredded cheese. So I'm using reduced fat cheese. So I'm just frying up some bacon. I did go ahead and just use half of the package. And I hope that you enjoyed this low-carb chicken bacon ranch casserole. And I also wanted to mention that even though the muffins have carbs and this is a low carb meal prep, low carb doesn't mean no carb. So it is okay to have carbohydrates even after having weight loss surgery. You don't need to be afraid of eating carbohydrates.
You put up a fight just a little too long. It all fell apart. He didn't plan me all this time. Why is it
So the bacon is just about done. I'm gonna go ahead and strain out a little bit of the oil. I'm gonna save a little bit of that bacon grease so that I can go ahead and cook the chicken in it.
sleepless night. It all fell apart. He'd been playing me all this time. Why is it so hard to say? I keep hearing your steps in the hallway and the sound.
So I cooked the broccoli in the microwave beforehand so that it was soft. I chopped it up. Then you can go ahead and add the broccoli and the grilled chicken to your pan. Add the can of cream of chicken soup to the chicken and broccoli, mix it well. Add your packet of ranch seasoning, sprinkle some cheese on top, and put it in the oven. This came out so delicious. Be sure to let me know down in the comments if you make this because it is totally worth it.
I tried to delete you.
So here it is ready to go in the oven. I'm going to bake this at 375. This baked for about 25 minutes in the oven. It came out absolutely delicious. Thank you guys so much for watching today's low carb meal prep. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Be sure to click that like button, and if you haven't, please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.
I'm over you.